Hi everyone, another lengthy gap again. We're on a BMW E39 525i. This is a little bit messy, as you can tell. It had the front legs completely snapped. It's got the instrument cluster messed up. We're gonna get that sorted. That's gonna be another video. Today I'm gonna show you a quick thing on the replacing the suspension legs. One thing about aligning them properly. Let me go under the car now. Most people would ignore it. There's a marking on this. If you look at it, it says R and L. That needs to be lined up with that slot, depending on which side it is. This is the left side and slightly out. I'm going to correct it now and get back to you. It's enough to loosen it up, just to get there. I've just loosened it up a little bit. As you can tell, the L is now where it should. I've only removed this bolt, and now as you can see, L is lining up with the slot as it should be on the left hand side. Right, these are the old legs from this BMW. As you can tell, one was completely snapped, the other one, well, one I had to cut up because it blew the wheel up. As you can tell, this one, see what I mean? You got R indication, that was right hand side, lined up with that. Left was not so great. I'll introduce it to the channel soon. It's a M Sport package with suction cup mirror, which is a bit odd. One has got Isofix. It's missing real partial share, so that we're gonna need to sort that out. And it's got just box standard headlights. That's because it's being scanned, the lights are not normally on. But yeah, the standard headlights, and we haven't got, I don't think we've got automatic wipers. No, I think it's just manual. So, despite being an M Sport package, which is indicated by that apparently, and the black headliner, there's not much about M Sport on this anyway, but we'll see. And it's an old school cassette stereo as well, so these buttons always go, well, somebody stuck something to it. It's going to need a good clean for a start, and then we can start moving about it, think about what's happening with this and what we're going to do with it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. There's going to be more videos on this and other cars, and I'll see you on the next one.